Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Case Place channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review, another foundation review, foundation and concealer. From the title you already know. So I'm finally trying out the JUVIAS Place I Am Magic foundation and concealer. This launched sometime in June and I'm just trying it out. I'm late, I know, but I asked on my Insta story if you guys still wanted to see it, a review, and I got yes. Like 90-something% said yes. So I'm going to be reviewing it alongside the Warriors palette, but the Warriors palette is going to be coming in another video. Like the review on the Warriors palette with swatches and whatsoever is going to come in another video. So here is it. So this is the I Am Magic foundation and the I Am Magic concealer, and this is the Warriors palette. So I'm going to be reviewing these two for you guys today and this in another video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, keep watching. And before I start talking and this intro gets too long, let's move straight into the video. I tried to pack my backwards. So like I said, I'm going to be reviewing the JUVIAS Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and the JUVIAS Place I Am Magic Concealer. So I got the foundation in the shade Lagos 240. Focus. Then I got the concealer in the shade 12. JUVIAS Place released that foundation and they came out with 42 shades, foundation, concealers, a complexion product, powder. So I just got these two because I felt I'm not a freak when it comes to setting. Not like I'm a freak with this, but setting powder is not just a thing that I get like that. But anyway, they came out with 42 shades of foundation. I can't remember how many shades. I'll leave it on the screen here. So what this says, I Am Magic Radiant, long lasting, creamy and comfortable. Our second skin creamy foundation offers a smooth application with a soft natural and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin. Well, I'm combination skin. So this foundation, let me just bring it out. So this is what it looks like. So I got this foundation as a 24-month shelf life, and it's 30 ml with 1.0 fluid ounces. Well, initially when my cousin gave, because it was my cousin that bought it for me, when he gave me, I was like, wow, that this actually looks really smaller like than it looks in images. Anyway, the concealer too, it has a 12-month shelf life and it's 10 ml with 0.34 fluid ounce. Is big. Like, I'll be using that today. Hopefully this is my shade, like my Maybelline Baby Skin to prime my face, so I moisturize because it's velvety matte, and I'm not doing a wet test. Like, I'm literally not doing a wet test. Like, I'm kind of nervous. Like, I'm nervous. So this is it. Okay, let me apply all over my face. I'm definitely getting neutral vibes from this foundation. Reminds me of my Colourpop Deep Dark 185. Okay, I don't know what to say actually. I'm getting the full coverage from it. It says full coverage on it. I'm getting it. I'm getting the full coverage. I'm getting the flawless coverage, which it claims to be. I think the problem I might have with it is, does it match? I don't know. Is it darker or lighter? I feel a more golden neutral undertone that fits me better than this. This is just like, this is basically a neutral undertone, and like I said, I'm a golden neutral undertone, so I feel that one would have matched better, but I'm not mad at it. Initially it was giving me Colourpop vibes, like when I got Colourpop, when I used it was giving me that vibes, and they said the foundation oxidizes. It won't be bad if it should oxidize on me. It's not going to be bad because I feel it's a tad bit lighter, like tad bit lighter on me. So what do you guys think about the match? Okay, I'm getting that gold undertone from this, and I think it will match well since the foundation is golden, neutral, and this is golden. Then yes, I forgot to say about the foundation. The foundation is super lightweight, and I feel from what I watched in reviews, it's kind of different. In reviews, they made it seem like the foundation was too thick, and in my opinion, it's not that thick as I thought it was like going to be thick. But in my opinion, the foundation is not that thick to me. Like, or maybe because maybe I had high expectations of the thickness, and this, let me just tell you, this foundation is super lightweight. Like, it literally feels like I have nothing on. I'm telling you, literally feels like I have nothing on. Then this concealer is super creamy, like it's really creamy, and I really love the golden undertone. It's giving me fun vibes, but slightly lighter than fun. And I forgot to say, the applicator is huge. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see it? It's not the regular applicator. My Colourpop one is super flat and smaller. Then my phone is super, it's not, my phone is not, it doesn't have like an applicator. It's like this press applicator, call them LA Girl phone. Then my Zaron is thin, so I think I did well with the foundation match. So this is what I have with the concealer and foundation. I didn't get a concealer in a dark shade for contour because I'm not really a fan of contouring. I just do it when I want to be extra. So let me move in. So this is what it looks like, foundation and concealer. So what do you guys think? So let me just go off camera, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts on the foundation. So guys, finally come to the end of this video, and if you want to see the Warriors on my eyes, I have the Warriors palette, which is this one. So if you want to see the review with swatches and whatnot, please check my next video that will be uploaded after this. So I use the Warriors palette on my eye. Then for my skin, you already know the JUVIAS palette. So what I'll say is that I'm having quite little creases on my under my eye from the concealer. The concealer is nice actually. It's so creamy, it blends nicely, like really nice, and it's super creamy. But it does crease actually, like it creases. But for the foundation, just when you get it, I feel the foundation does transfer a lot. Like, let me show you now. For example, I checked the paper too, but let me show you my finger. Can you guys see it? It transfers, like it does transfer. Well, it transfers, but your foundation does not shift. Do you understand? Like, it transfers, but it doesn't shift from your face. So foundation is quite nice. It's actually nice. I like it, and I think I did well with the shade I got. My data did not go to waste, so I like it. It's quite thick, but not so thick. I just feel it's not as thick as you might assume the way people say it's thick, but it's nice. Then what else? It's full coverage, like full coverage. Yeah, I literally can't see anything on my face. Look, you can see that this foundation and concealer is nice, and I'm going to wear it like 2 or 3 times more in my videos. You know, sometimes when you first buy a foundation and use it the first time, the finish to give you is different from the finish to might give you at your third usage. Like, the third time you use it might be different. So I'm going to wear it like 2 times, 2 more times, 3 more times, for me to actually know how the foundation does, like how it stays on my face. But for now, I'm fine with it. I'm good with it, no problem. Nothing, just that it creases a little under my eye. I've not found the foundation yet, a concealer yet, that does not crease on me. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, watch my Warriors palette review, my next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.